Takot ka ba sa math? Changing improper fraction to mixed number tayo. Okay, sample number 1. 18 divide by 5. Diba 18 yung ating numerator? Okay, 5 yung ating denominator. So, pag nag-divide ka, yung numerator, siya yung dividend. Okay, so yung denominator, siya yung divisor. So, 18 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 18 minus 15 is 3. So, remainder 3. Okay. So, ang whole number natin, so 18 fifths is equal to, yung quotient, ang ating whole number. Okay. Ang remainder natin ng ating bagong numerator at ang divisor natin ng ating denominator. So, ang 18 fifths ay 3 and 3 fifths. Okay? Okay, sample number 2. Bawa, 17 fourths. Okay? So, pag dinivide natin siya, 17 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. Remainder 1. So, whole number is 4. Remainder numerator. Divisor denominator. Okay? So, ang 17 fourths ay 4 and 1/4. Simple lang, di ba? Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Kaya, huwag ka nang mag-alala.